Returning to the gym after a break can feel daunting, whether it's been a few weeks, months, or even years. The mix of excitement, uncertainty, and perhaps a bit of fear is natural. But understanding what happens to your body during exercise and how it adapts over time can help you push through the initial discomfort and stay motivated. In this article, we'll walk you through what to expect on your first day back, how your body responds to workouts, and the amazing changes that occur with consistent effort. Whether you're aiming to build strength, improve endurance, or simply feel better, knowing what's going on inside will help you stay on track and make the most of every workout. The journey of your first day back in the gym. So, you've decided to take the plunge and get back to the gym. Maybe it's been a few months, or perhaps you've been putting it off for years. Either way, you've come to the right place. The first day back is always the hardest, and it's completely normal to feel uncertain. But once you understand what happens to your body when you exercise, and how it responds to consistent effort, you'll gain the motivation you need to keep moving forward. The first step: what happens when you start working out? You walk into the gym, the air filled with the scent of rubber mats and the low hum of machines in the background. You might feel a little nervous or intimidated, especially if it's been a while since you've done any physical activity. You grab a set of dumbbells or approach the treadmill, and after a quick warm-up, you dive into your workout. Right from the start, your body goes into action. As you begin to move, your heart rate picks up. This isn't just because you're exerting energy, it's because your muscles require more oxygen and nutrients. The heart beats faster to pump more blood to your working muscles. This is when the process of adaptation begins. Your body is learning to handle the increased demands you're placing on it. You might feel a burn or discomfort in your muscles as you push through a set of squats or curls. That sensation is due to the buildup of lactic acid, a byproduct of energy production in your muscles. As your muscles contract, they rely on stored glycogen, a form of carbohydrate, for fuel. This process creates lactic acid, which temporarily lowers the pH in your muscles, contributing to the fatigue you feel. But don't worry, this is completely normal. It means your muscles are being challenged, which is essential for growth. Your muscles are being broken down in tiny, microscopic ways, and when they recover, they'll rebuild stronger and more resilient. At the same time, your body starts releasing a cocktail of chemicals and hormones. Among these are adrenaline, which helps increase alertness and energy, and endorphins, which contribute to a sense of euphoria or runner's high. These hormones not only help you perform better, but they also serve to reduce pain and make you feel good. Your brain also releases neurotransmitters like dopamine and serotonin, which are responsible for mood regulation and motor control. Without these chemicals, exercises that require coordination, like jumping jacks or rope skipping, would feel much more difficult. The recovery process: understanding muscle repair and growth. After your workout, the work isn't over. In fact, some of the most important changes happen after you've left the gym and are resting. It's during this phase that your muscles repair and grow. When you exercise, you actually create tiny tears in the muscle fibers. This might sound concerning, but it's a necessary part of the process. Your body works to repair these fibers by fusing them together, making them thicker and stronger than before. But muscle growth doesn't happen instantly. In fact, it may take 24 to 48 hours for your muscles to fully recover from the stress of your workout. This is why it's crucial to allow adequate recovery time between sessions for each muscle group. During this time, your body uses protein to rebuild the damaged fibers. This process requires energy, which is why you may feel hungry after working out. Your body is craving fuel to support muscle recovery. Additionally, your metabolism is elevated in the hours after your workout. This means you burn more calories than usual, even at rest. If you're aiming for fat loss, this post-workout calorie burn can be a key part of your strategy. Some studies have shown that the body continues to burn more calories for up to 14 hours after a workout, a phenomenon called excess post-exercise oxygen consumption, EPOC. So while you may not see immediate results in terms of visible muscle definition, your body is working hard to make long-term adaptations. The first day, a mix of discomfort and motivation. The first day of exercise is always a challenge. You'll likely feel sore in areas you forgot even existed. Your muscles might feel tight and achy, and your energy levels could be lower than usual. This is completely normal and part of the process. The discomfort you're experiencing is your body's way of adapting to a new routine. Remember, this is your body getting used to a stress it hasn't had to deal with for a while. The soreness you feel is due to delayed onset muscle soreness, DONS, which typically peaks 24 to 48 hours after a workout. This soreness is a sign that your muscles are recovering and strengthening, so while it may feel uncomfortable, it's a good indicator that the workout did its job. Over time, your body will adapt to this strain, and you'll experience less soreness as your muscles become more accustomed to regular activity. Mentally, you might feel an incredible sense of accomplishment after your workout. While the physical changes take time, the mental boost you get from completing a challenging session is immediate. The release of endorphins and the satisfaction of pushing yourself further than you thought possible can be incredibly motivating. This boost in mood can last for hours, so don't be surprised if you feel on top of the world after you're done. The next day, embrace the recovery phase. By the next day, you're probably feeling sore, but don't be discouraged. This is the time when the body is repairing itself. Even though you may feel stiff, it's still important to stay active to keep blood circulating to your muscles. Gentle movements like stretching, walking, or doing light cardio can help alleviate the soreness and speed up recovery. While you might experience a temporary decrease in strength and performance during your recovery phase, this is where the magic happens. Your muscles are in the process of repairing and rebuilding. The fibers that were torn during the workout are being restored, and they are becoming stronger and more resilient. In the first few days after starting your exercise routine, you won't see visible changes yet. It takes time for muscle definition to become noticeable. What you might notice, however, is that you're feeling more energetic throughout the day, and your mood is elevated. Exercise has a powerful effect on mental health by reducing stress, boosting self-esteem, and increasing overall well-being. What to expect after a week of exercise? By the time a week has passed, your body will start adjusting to the routine. The first few days of soreness will likely subside, and you might even start feeling like you're bouncing back faster after each session. Your muscles, though still growing, will begin to recover more efficiently. You'll be able to push yourself a little harder, and your endurance will begin to improve. Your body will start to feel more accustomed to the physical activity. If you've been consistent with your workouts, you might notice that your stamina has improved. You're able to perform exercises with better form, and you might be able to lift a bit heavier weight or go for a longer cardio session. Additionally, the overall tightness and soreness you felt at first will start to decrease as your body adapts. However, while you may feel better and stronger, visible changes in your physique will still be subtle at this point. If you're lifting weights, your muscles may feel a little firmer, and you might notice your clothes fitting differently. But the muscle definition you're hoping for won't be immediately obvious. Changes like this take time, so it's important to stay patient and continue with your workouts. 1 month in, noticeable changes begin. Around the 1-month mark, you'll start to see more substantial changes. Your muscles will feel firmer, and you may even begin to notice a slight toning or definition, especially if you've been doing a mix of strength training and cardiovascular work. This is when you'll start to feel the fruits of your labor. Physically, you'll likely notice that you can do more during your workouts. You might be able to lift heavier weights or run longer distances without feeling as fatigued. Your body is becoming more efficient, and the adaptations that are occurring at the cellular level are becoming apparent. Increased mitochondrial density in your muscle cells means that your body is better equipped to produce energy, leading to improved endurance and performance. Mentally, you'll likely feel even more motivated. The early discomfort and challenges will have been worth it as you start to experience the rewards of your hard work. Your body is changing, and while it might not be dramatic yet, the improvements are steady and real. 3 months later, seeing visible results. After 3 months of consistent training, the changes in your body will become more visible. Your muscles will be more defined, and you may even start noticing a leaner physique if you've been combining strength training with cardio. Strength gains will be more noticeable too. You'll be able to lift heavier weights, do more reps, and have more energy throughout your workouts. This is when it becomes clear that the work you've put in is starting to show results. Whether you're looking to build muscle, improve endurance, or lose fat, you're likely seeing significant progress. Your body is more adept at handling the physical demands of your workouts, and the improvements are becoming evident in both your appearance and performance. 6 months in, long-term gains and maintenance. At the 6-month mark, your body has fully adapted to your exercise routine. You're stronger, leaner, and more flexible. Your metabolism is likely higher, and your body composition may have significantly improved. You're probably seeing more noticeable muscle tone, and if you've been diligent about your nutrition, fat loss may also be evident. This is when exercise becomes a regular, ingrained part of your lifestyle. You've built a routine, and the results speak for themselves. Your body is not only stronger and more conditioned, but your overall fitness level is significantly improved. Getting back into the gym is a process, but one that pays off if you stay consistent and patient. The first day back might feel uncomfortable, but it's a necessary part of your journey. Over time, you'll see changes in your strength, endurance, muscle